So I just entered 10,000 yen and got this card. Welcome to Okay.
200 Do we need a chopstick or fork?
Chopstick.
Chopsticks to that.
A fork would be good, I think.
Okay.
Thank you.
I don't read the newspapers because they all have
Tokyo Tower.
ugly friends.
Check me out. Check me out.
At the starting of the week.
So it's my official day 1 in Japan. Yesterday night I arrived around 10 p.m. and in total I will be spending 13 days in Japan and 9 days in Tokyo. So I thought of documenting my every day here in Tokyo to see how the city is and how the Japanese culture, how people are in the city. So that's what we're gonna be doing. So right off the bat I noticed there are a lot of cycles. Every house has like 2-3 cycles along with the car. By the way, this area where I'm at is very close to Senagoku station. So why I'm staying in this area is because my friend Suyog, he stays here, and I'm staying with him for 4-5 days of my initial trip. So I'll show you his house as well. It's a pretty unique house. How it's set up is very different. In just a small space, the house is set up really nice. Also the bed which I'm using, it's called a futon, so it's like a air mattress. It's very common here in Japan. So now we have arrived. काफी गर्म है. Yeah, sure. So this is the place. This is Suyog. Hello, bro. This is the futon bed that I'm using. India. सीजन्स कैसे हैं जापान में? मतलब कौन से सीजन में कैसा रहता है, कौन से मंथ में?
हाँ, गर्मी अभी है अगस्त सितंबर.
ओके.
इसके बाद ऑटम आएगा थोड़ी देर.
ओके.
फिर ठंड रहेगी नवंबर से जनवरी फरवरी तक.
ठंड कैसा रहता है? बहुत ठंड?
एक दिन बर्फ गिरता है.
ओके.
बाकी दिन
इवन इन टोक्यो?
हाँ, टोक्यो में एक ही दिन गिरता है.
ओके.
साल में एक दिन मतलब.
Like specific only one day?
हाँ, मतलब यूजुअली दिन अलग अलग रहेगा.
Okay.
यूजुअली सिर्फ एक दिन इतना ठंड होता है. और बाकी दिन 2-3 डिग्री 4 डिग्री. फिर ठंड के बाद स्प्रिंग मार्च में वही स्प्रिंग अर्ली समर मई में, मतलब अप्रैल के एंड से गर्मी आ जाता है.
ओके. बट रेनी सीजन इज लाइक अभी काइंड ऑफ इज रेनी
जुलाई है. जून का एंड जुलाई मिड तक. तो मेन जुलाई में सबसे ज्यादा बारिश होता है.
So now we are headed to Suyog's University, Tokyo University. He's studying physics there. So we'll be exploring the university and what happens and what are the students like in that university.
मेन स्टेज सुबिया में है.
Okay.
बट ये प्रोफेसर ये हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी का प्रोफेसर था.
Oh, this professor was from here. This is the statue of Hachiko. Hachiko. This professor was from Tokyo University. Mostly manufacturing पे इन्वेस्ट किया जापान ने, इस कारण इतना रिच हो गया.
उनके पास कोई रॉ मटेरियल नहीं है. तो ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट की तो जैसे बहुत सारे कार मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनीज हैं, बैंक्स हैं और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स के आइटम.
ओके.
तो वो उसकी इंडस्ट्री तो
We are at the University of Tokyo main gate. Let's go inside.
वैसा इंसिडेंट है, बाकी तो कुछ नहीं.
बड़ा ओल्ड आर्किटेक्चर है इस यूनिवर्सिटी का.
हाँ, ये ओल्डेस्ट कैंपस.
Okay. Lot of people are doing painting. कैंपिंग भी कर रहे कुछ लोग.
कैंपिंग नहीं, वो प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं.
ओके.
क्योंकि 2 महीना पहले फीस बढ़ा दिए थे यहाँ पे. वो फीस कम करने के लिए प्रोटेस्ट वो LGBTQ के लिए है।
This was the main university building. It's a famous one. This is Asia's best university and world ranking is around 9 or 10. 1867 में चालू हुआ। तो जर्मनी ने बनवाया?
नहीं है तो जापान का यूनिवर्सिटी, पर उस टाइम पे मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग काफ़ी आगे था जर्मनी, फिजिक्स भी आगे था, साइंस के सब, तो वहाँ से कुछ प्रोफेसर्स लोग आए थे, तो ये उन्हीं का स्टैचू है, वो 2 लोग हैं।
ओके।
और फिर 1923 में अर्थक्वेक आया था, उस दौरान पे एक बिल्डिंग वो जर्मन आर्किटेक्ट ने बनाया था, वो बिल्डिंग सर्वाइव कर गया, बाकी लोगों में थोड़ा डैमेज हुआ, फिर उसको कॉपी कर दिया बाकी सारे बिल्डिंग।
ओके। जापानीज गाने सुनते हो?
कभी कभी सुनते हैं, ज़्यादा नहीं सुनते।
ताइक्वांडो भी किए हो?
वो यूनिवर्सिटी में एक दोस्त ने चालू किया था सर, तो ठीक है।
अभी भी कोई राजा है?
अभी भी हैं, पर उनके पास पावर नहीं है। तो वो उस राजा की लड़के की जब शादी हुई थी, तो दुल्हन ये गेट से आई थी।
ओके, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज फेमस।
पर तो भी आप अंदर ऐसे जा नहीं सकते।
ओके, सिर्फ क्वीन ही जा सकती है।
अरे कोई नहीं जाता शो के लिए अभी तो।
Thing I observed कि these train tickets in Japan are more expensive than flight. Like
Shinkansen is the bullet train there.
just to go to Osaka, if I was booking a train, it was more expensive than the flight. बहुत bullet.
ऐसा लगेगा कि आप जैसे वो प्लेन का बिजनेस क्लास रहता है, वो जमीन पे चल रहा है ऐसा।
Okay, that kind of train.
वो छोटा है, ये तो
Ueno
स्टेशन इसके उस पार है।
Ueno Pond.
पर हम इधर से
People are chilling. That one is Tokyo Sky Tree. So Lawson's and Family Mart are one of the top stores here, and also 7-Eleven. So let's see, check out how Lawson's are. Haagen-Dazs. There are a lot of different gift cards like Apple gift card, Netflix gift card, Spotify and all others. Oh, there's a restroom as well. Wow. So I found a corn salad here. Looks pretty good. Let's try it out. Lawson's. Okay.
200. Really, the chopstick of home.
So that side is 7-Eleven and here is Lawson's. Somewhere around here will also be a Family Mart, I'm sure. Also see a lot of these vending machines. You can choose any of them, tap on your card or enter your cash and gives out the like Red Bull or whatever drink you want. Okay, let's try Georgia coffee. What is the number? This one. And crazy. Look at this Uber. And so many cycles everywhere. Like that. Oh, we are very close to Yushima station. Well, now my friend Suyog recommended me this place called Tenden Tanya for Japanese food. So we are going there for lunch and we'll try to get something vegetarian. Oh my god, the amount of bicycles here. Some crazy thing happening here. WWE kind of stuff. Damn. So random. Some WWE shit happening at this Okachimachi station. So this is what we were watching. This guy was present in that show, whatever was going on, the WWE, BTW it's called. I think this is the one, but I'm not able to see name anywhere in English. So not able to understand, is this Tenden Tenya? Yeah, Tenden. This is the one. Let's see. Japanese place. That's how you have to order here. Vegetable tempura and soba. Vegetable soba, cold, hot. So soba is actually Japanese style noodles. It comes in cold and hot, two types of. Chairs here are fixed. We can just rotate, but you can't move them from here. Suika. Thank you. Okay, so next today I'm going to the Tokyo Tower. From here, Naka Okachimachi, we are taking a train to very close to Tokyo Tower. We have to take the Hibiya line. Taking the exit 1 for Tokyo Tower. Well, that was the amazing view of Tokyo Tower. I'm thinking to finish my corn salad that I bought earlier with this kind of sunset view on the staircase down from the observation deck of Tokyo Tower. It's about night time when I'm leaving from Tokyo Tower. This is the Prince Hotel, just in front of Tokyo Tower. I'm at the Onariman station taking a train back to Senagoku, and that brings us to the end of day one. It was amazing. This is the first impressions of Tokyo is next level. I am excited for day two. Let's see what happens.